Ayan. Gumagala-gala ang mga gala nandito pagkatapos ng simba. Ayan, dumiretso sa mall. Magmumoling daw. Hindi, mag-aalmusal lang. Mag-aalmusal. Kaya maghahanap muna kami ng makainan. Kamusta po? Mabuti. Bababa daw muna kami, magpapaayos ang cellphone, mamaya nakakain. Sige na.
Wow. Iwas din ako.
Si Donut Lover. Si Donut Lover yan. Si Donut Lover. Of course, I want this one. Oh! I want this.
Yeah, this one. Give us 3. This one.
We are the Donut Lover. That's why, nandito na naman kaming dalawa. Mag-aalmusal kami ng donut. Pagkatapos ng simba, dumiretso dito para mag-almusal. You first, no? Pagkatapos ng donut, pupunta naman sa KFC. KFC lover. Ayan, ang aking tagabit-bit ng donut ko. Pupunta naman siya sa KFC because we are ordering our breakfast lunch. Coffee.
She want also coffee?
No coffee. Bibili lang kami ng kape dito, hindi kami bibili ng chicken. Kape lang ang sa amin. Cappuccino to. Nandito naman kami sa aming inorderan. Broadway Pizza. Pasok! Pasok ka na, pasok sa loob. Pasok sa loob. O, yan. Yan. Breakfast.
No, she's not Tanzania. Africa? She's from Zambia.
Zambia.
I know her.
Natasha?
Tasha.
Yeah.
Tina.
She's my friend.
Oh.
Yes, she's my friend. We were working before when I have when I have no visa. I work there over like this. Because I want only to fix my visa now. That's why I.
Oh, yan na naman ang mga pizza lover, coffee lover. Coffee is finished.
Anong pangalan ng kape?
KFC coffee.
Ano yan?
Espresso?
Cappuccino.
Mainit na.
Yan. Let's go have it now. Have it, pizza.
Wow, so yummy.
Oh, see? Grabe naman, Tip. Ano mo yan, Mako?
Mainit?
Look, it's too hot. And then look. Oh, wow.
Picture nga ako na kumakain ng ano.
Ano ba yan? It's too hot. It's hot. Napakainit.
Can you
There's a tissue.
Fighting pizza? Sister?
Yeah. Yung TikToker natin, kailangan niya yung mag-bite ng ano. Yan ang aming TikToker dito sa Pakistan. Ayan.
TikToker.
Oh, it's
It's so hot.
It's so hot. Oh, di ba? Maganda talaga yung kumain ng napakainit eh. You take a video. Ayan. Yan, ang TikToker namin nagpapakuha. Ayun. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat pizza.
Watch out your coffee, don't drop your
Cheese.
cloth.
Yes.
But no problem. Drop in that pot there.
Sarap, no?
Don't drop in my clothes.
Garlic powder you want?
Ang kainan. Proper holding. You cannot run.
Siyempre yan naman nakaganyan.
Oh.
Kulit ko yung kamay niya.
Siyempre, wala ka na mga kaibigan dito na ano eh. I by the other side. Oh. We go to the street na because the same thing. Down and then you start walking again.
You can get the sun here. Look, the shop bag is here.
Oh, this a leader, no? It's a leader shop, no? But we go enter the smell. Too much smell. No, Adidas is too expensive, no? This mall, na? We get to the local one. Who knows that is local? Who knows that is local you're wearing?
That's the problem.
Nobody knows. It's local. And nobody knows that I'm wearing a ukay-ukay. See? I can't even buy a new one. I only buy used one. From ukay-ukay.
Oh, we can get from that perfume shop.
The imported one?
Yeah, if you want to get, you can get some important stuff.
Yeah.
Not the cheapest one. If we get it good, next time if we get the salad, we'll come to the big shop.
You're going by taxi or
No, metro.
Why do you go by
We are not rich. We are poor. That's why we use a metro bus, not a taxi. We don't have money to pay taxi. Mga buang. Magmi-metro daw kami. Labas kami. Sasakay ng metro, so bye for now. Oh, pin.
Oh, that's made in Japan. Yvonne shop.
Made in Japan. Japan Levi's. We are out now, going to Metro Bus.